In previous video, we discussed on the importance of Hinduism in the world, and Swami Vivekananda had delivered in his welcome speech. He focused on the tolerance and acceptance of all religions in the world. So let's move. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all religions and all nations of the earth. I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest remnant of the Israelites who came to southern India and took refuge with us in the very year in which their holy temple was shattered to pieces by Roman tyranny. I am proud to belong to the religion which has sheltered and is still fostering the remnant of the grand Zoroastrian nation. This is all the situation of the world. Especially, he mentioned the Israelites. They were under the monopoly of Roman tyranny, and everything is destroyed by themselves. Due to that, all the Israelites had migrated to the India, and India had given shelter to all the religions in India, and that is what may called generosity of our Hinduism to accept the all the religions philosophy in a unique format. Let's see next paragraph. I will quote to you, Breathon, a few lines from a hymn which I remember to have repeated from my earliest boyhood, which is every day repeated by millions of human beings. I quote, as the different streams having their sources in the different places all mingle their water in the sea, so, O Lord, the different paths which mean take through different tendencies, various though they appear crooked or straight, all lead to thee. Unquote. This is the he quoted here. I think I will repeat again it. Let's see again. I quote, as the different streams having their sources in different places all mingle their water in the sea, so, O Lord, the different paths which men take through different tendencies, various though they appear crooked or straight, all lead to thee. Unquote. This is a very important quote by him. Let's try to understand what he exactly converted his own message through this quote. It means water is running from everywhere and it eventually reach at the sea, and sea will be make an adjustment, or it will be accept all the streams of water in the sea. Similarly, in India, the Hinduism or the Hindu religion has been accepting all the philosophy of other religions. So that is the main thing from this paragraph. Let's see the present convention, that is the conference, which is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, a declaration to the world of the wonderful doctrine that is a philosophy preached in the Gita. Whatever we have preached in Gita, it reflects in Hinduism. In Gita, there are number of things which is related to human value as well as importance. Whosoever comes to me through whatsoever form, I reach him, all men are struggling through paths which in the end to lead to me. Again, I will repeat the quote. I quote, whosoever comes to me through whatsoever form I reach him, all men are struggling through paths which in the end lead to me. That is a very important point from the Gita. It means eventually we are going to destroy, we are going to die. Whatever we have debate or we have dispute among the religion, but we must be consider the importance of human life or humanity is topmost instead of others. Even though we are having different religion in India, Buddhism, Hinduism, Christian, Jain, these are the different religions. We are living together. We have togetherness. We have unity in the all the religions. So let's move another page. I think here are important words. You may check it at yourself. There is a meaning of the words. For example, persecuted, someone subjected to hostility and ill treatment, especially because of their race or their political or religious beliefs. It means we will consider inferior to others, or you consider yourself that is a superior. So I request you all students, you can refer English Marathi dictionary for understanding purpose. Here are only giving a glossary, and it is not possible to you to understand yourself. You may go with your dictionary. We stop here. We will see another video. Thank you.